While Silicon Valley has spent years hyping chatbots and LLMs that can write your emails and summarize documents, Jeff Bezos just made a massive bet that the industry has been focused on the wrong thing, and he's not alone. From Elon Musk to Sam Altman and Yann LeCun to Fei Li, some of AI's biggest names and most brilliant minds are moving past the software gold rush for something far more tangible. The Bezos-led project Prometheus recently emerged from stealth mode with a staggering $6.2 billion in funding, making it one of the most well-capitalized startups in history. And for the first time since stepping down as Amazon's CEO in 2021, Bezos, one of Prometheus's investors, is also taking an operational role as co-chief executive. And he's diving headfirst into AI, not the chatbot kind, but something entirely different: physical AI. So what exactly is physical AI, and why are tech's heaviest hitters suddenly pivoting in this direction? Current AI systems have consumed virtually every Wikipedia article, every book, every scientific paper ever digitized. They can mimic human language with eerie precision. But here's their fundamental limitation. They've learned everything from text, from words on screens. They have no concept of gravity, no understanding of chemistry, no grasp of how materials actually behave in the real world. Physical AI changes everything. Instead of learning solely from internet text, these systems learn from actual experiments, from robots manipulating real objects, from observing how the physical world actually works. And this isn't just theoretical. The evidence is everywhere if you know where to look. Yann LeCun, one of the godfathers of modern AI, and the guy who built Facebook's entire AI research division, just left Meta after over a decade to start his own company focused on world models. These are AI systems designed specifically to understand the physical world, not just process text. LeCun has been publicly skeptical of LLMs for years, arguing they have inherent limitations precisely because they lack grounding in physical reality. His departure from Meta and pivot to this new approach is a massive signal about where the real breakthrough might come from. Then there's Fei Li, Stanford's legendary AI researcher, who essentially created ImageNet, the data set that kickstarted the modern deep learning revolution. She recently founded World Labs, another startup focused on giving AI systems a deeper understanding of how the three-dimensional world actually functions. But the most dramatic example might be Periodic Labs. More than 20 top researchers just walked away from Meta, OpenAI, and Google DeepMind to join this new venture, leaving behind compensation packages worth tens of millions, potentially hundreds of millions of dollars. Liam Fettis, one of Periodic Labs' founders and a key member of the team that built ChatGPT, put it bluntly: Silicon Valley is intellectually lazy when it comes to predicting what LLMs will achieve. He argues that no matter how many textbooks these systems analyze, they fundamentally cannot master scientific discovery without learning from physical experiments. So Periodic Labs, valued at over $300 million, is building a massive facility where robots will run scientific experiments at enormous scale. Imagine a robot systematically testing thousands of different powder combinations, trying to create new superconductors. It mixes compounds, heats them, tests the results, analyzes what worked and what didn't, then iterates again. The AI doesn't just read about superconductors, it tries to create them, fails, learns from failure, and tries again. This is how human scientists actually work and how major breakthroughs happen. Google DeepMind already proved this concept works, as its researchers won a Nobel Prize in chemistry for developing AlphaFold, which helps predict protein structures and accelerate drug discovery. It learned from actual molecular data, from the physical properties of proteins, not just from reading biology textbooks. Jeff Bezos clearly sees this potential. Project Prometheus is focusing on AI that will help with engineering and manufacturing across computers, aerospace, and automobiles, all fields where understanding physical properties is absolutely critical. His co-founder and co-CEO is Vic Bajaj, a physicist and chemist who worked at Google X, the moonshot factory that produced Waymo's self-driving cars and Wing's delivery drones. These are physical technologies that require deep understanding of how things move and interact in the real world. Bezos has already been positioning himself in this space. This past June, Amazon deployed its millionth AI-enabled industrial robot across its global operations. And Bezos is an investor in physical intelligence, a startup that's building what they call generalist brain software for robots. One system that could theoretically control any robot to perform any physical task. It's not just Bezos. Sam Altman recently announced a major robotics play to keep pace with Elon Musk's Optimus robots. And Google DeepMind wants to use Gemini as a robot operating system the way Android powers smartphones. Even Anthropic, which currently focuses on LLMs, sees where things are going. Its CEO, Dario Amodei, has long emphasized AI's potential in the physical sciences. He's talked repeatedly about how AI could accelerate drug discovery, improve medical diagnosis, and advance our understanding of biology. These are all inherently physical domains that require more than text comprehension. Now, here's why this matters beyond just technological advancement. Americans are increasingly skeptical about AI. Poll after poll shows a majority now view AI as more negative than positive for society. Why? Because the AI they've experienced so far has been chatbots that might eliminate writing jobs, recommendation algorithms that create filter bubbles, and deepfakes that erode truth. The tangible benefits for everyday people have been minimal. Physical AI could change that calculus entirely. Imagine AI systems that accelerate the development of new cancer treatments, that help design more efficient solar panels, that discover new materials for better batteries. These aren't abstract productivity gains measured in slightly faster email responses. These are concrete improvements to human life and well-being. When robots can help elderly people maintain independence in their homes, when AI accelerates scientific breakthroughs that lead to new medicines, when AI-enabled manufacturing makes things we need more affordable, that's when public sentiment shifts. That's when AI stops being a threat to jobs and starts being a tool for genuine human flourishing. The scale of investment flowing into this space suggests the smart money agrees. Remember the robotics startup Physical Intelligence we talked about? Its latest funding round increased the company's valuation to $5.6 billion. Besides Jeff Bezos, other investors include OpenAI, Thrive Capital, and Lux Capital. This isn't speculative froth. This is serious capital supporting serious researchers working on serious problems. Of course, building physical AI is exponentially harder than training language models. The real world is messy, unpredictable, and expensive to experiment in. Progress will be slower than the breakneck pace we saw with LLMs. But maybe that's exactly the point. Physical AI requires building actual labs, manufacturing actual robots, running actual experiments. It's capital-intensive, time-consuming, and technically daunting, which means the winners will be determined by who can marshal enormous resources, attract world-class researchers, and maintain focus over years or decades. It's tailor-made for someone exactly like Jeff Bezos. The age of conversational AI might be reaching its plateau. The age of AI that actually manipulates, creates, and discovers in the physical world? That's just beginning. And if the people making these massive bets are right, it might actually deliver on the revolutionary promises that AI has been making for years. Will these bets pay off? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more AI insights.